We're at the broker open for Sunbridge, Weslyn Park. Right now we're at the base camp, and behind me, if you haven't know what they are yurts. I didn't know what a yurt was either. Who knows what a yurt is? But a yurt is a circular tent. Not a tent, but it looks like a tent. Well, anyway, we are gonna see some awesome houses, some in construction still, in Weslyn Park. Can't wait to see. They sound gorgeous. Come along with us. I'm better at selling houses, trust me. At least I hit it. Right now, we're still at Basecamp, but if you look around, we have a building, well, you want to call it a building, it's a structure. Not much of a roof yet, but it's going to be for residents and non-residents to come gather, talk to each other. It's going to be a community. That is what's awesome. You can come here, say hi to your friends, neighbors. How cool is that? This is going to be an awesome place that I can't wait to see grow. And we're gonna continue to make videos so you see it grow too. You like our videos? Like and subscribe. You won't regret it. Around Basecamp, you can see kind of idea what kind of plants they're gonna be putting in Sunbridge. If you look around, beautiful plants. What's really cool about it is they require less watering than your typical plant in Florida. You know, make it more green, which is awesome. We can always conserve water, and it's still beautiful. The demand for this is off the charts. Realtors are filling the parking lots. They're not even room to park. Anyway, we are going to see the models, but first I want to show you just how beautiful this is. I mean, it's actually breathtaking how cool it is. Wait to see how this develops. We are going to keep you up on that. I'm kind of breathless sometimes because it does take your breath away, because I can see in my mind the future completed project, which is going to be awesome. But we are going to keep you up to date on this. We're going to have constant videos. So we're going to show you some models soon. After a quick walk through this model they're building right now, what really impressed me, actually, believe it or not, a heavy-duty bolt they have in the sill plate. They are prepared for bad weather. This house is staying here. What's really cool is they actually, on some of the models, as an upgrade, they have you can make your garage detached, 2.5, 3-car garage, and you have an apartment above with a bathroom. So, you got someone in your family you don't like, send them to your garage apartment. area of a pool under construction. It is a cool design. I mean, you got your spa, you got your pool, and you got a little ledge that will be probably bubbling up water, laying down on a lounge chair, having a cold one. That's life. If you see how the community is designed, they're really going basically turning the community. You got a beautiful park circling in the middle that, you know, you walk your dog, go for a walk, say hi to your neighbor. It's a really cool subdivision, and you're just seeing the tip of it. So this is gonna, and the amount of realtors here, it gives you an indication how many buyers are gonna be coming here. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be absolutely crazy. Demand, they're not gonna be able to keep up with the demand because it's so desirable to live. I wanna play some tunes. Where did I put my Bluetooth speaker? He's in the kitchen. Oh wait, this awesome house. They're in the ceiling. We're in the middle of the park, so no matter where you look around, you're seeing houses being built. Some are completed. This has a homey feeling. That's all. You know, what else are you gonna say? It's not a house. These are homes. That's the difference, because you have community. Walking through Weslyn Park, seeing the model homes. Obviously, they're still being built. You're gonna hear all the construction stuff. Sunbridge is green, not just the landscape, but the houses too. Save your money and save the world. I'm standing in front of one of the Pulte models in Weslyn Park. I was just talking to the sales manager, and what's really cool, on all their houses, as a standard package, no extra charge, they are going to have a Tesla solar panels. Will do approximately about 60% of the usage of electricity, which is really cool. And if you want to upgrade, they do have that also, where you can cover 100%. If you want the solar roof from Tesla, they'll do that also as an upgrade. So this really is a green community. Standing in the park, Weslyn Park, and palm trees galore, beautiful. Growing up in the Midwest, you only see a palm tree when you're on vacation. Living here, you're on vacation every day. Unfortunately, no builders have price lists yet. I'm being told 2 to 7 weeks, but you know what? We are going to keep updating you, checking that on a daily basis. That's why it's so important to stay tuned to this channel, because we will find all that information out for you when it's available. I was told single family homes, the lowest it would be starting the high 4s. So they give you an indication and go up from there. It's a hot market, hot location, it's a hot subdivision. If you're living in Florida or moving to Florida, and you're moving to Central Florida, and you're looking for an awesome place to live, and you're not sure, you're looking for a sign, here's your sign. Hope you enjoyed our tour of Weslyn Park of Sunbridge. Awesome. I was blown away with all the amenities and how cool everything looks. And the houses are gorgeous. But I got more information on the amenities. They're going to actually, besides having a BMX trail, bike trail, parks, schools, and etc. It goes on, the list goes on and on. They're also going to have a thing called Marina Village, and that's to be done in approximately 2024. And you can fish, kayak, and now they connect to 3 other lakes: Myrtle, Joe, and Preston. So you got a lot of activities here. You'll never have a dull day. So hope you liked our video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll keep in touch, because we'll be keeping you updated what's going on in Sunbridge at Weslyn Park.